We're cruising along nicely now, and what we have is our switchboard created. We've got all our forms created, we've got all our data in our tables, and now I'm just going to show you this very quickly. If we right click on this and choose design view, we've got access to all of our stuff again. Now if we want to, we can lock our user out of our database so that we are the only one that knows how to control the database. And that's beneficial because if you take the time to create a database as we have here, you don't really want your user to make any changes to it. Only add data into it or take data away, and that's its primary role. So if we go to File and choose Options, and we go to the current database, we get all of this, and this is where we've created where we've told it to display the switchboard. But we're going to check off all of these checkboxes here. We're not going to allow our user to do anything but anything that we want them to do. So once I check all those off and I choose OK, I'm going to come up with a message that says, whoa, you've made a lot of changes. Do you want to continue? Yes, I do. And it might come up with, now I must close and reopen the current database for everything to take effect. So let's do that. Let's watch what happens. So I'm going to close the database down. I then go to my database, which is located over here. And when I double click on it, you'll notice some major changes have happened. First of all of my stuff down the side here where I've used to in my navigation pane is all gone. The only thing I can do is choose the things that my database administrator, which is you, has allowed me to do. So I can open the forms and I can close a form, or I can do all the things that my database administrator has gotten me to do. Now you're probably starting to think now, oh, but what if there's more that I need to learn? And there is lots more that I need to make videos of. But the problem is that now you can't get into there. So if we close this one down, I'm going to show you this little party trick. If I highlight that, which it is, it's highlighted and you can see that on the video. If I hold down Shift on the keyboard and double click my left mouse button and hold Shift down, so hold down Shift and double click, then all that formatting that I put on has disappeared. So you can see that it's been loaded here. I'm still holding down Shift, and you can see now I have access to my Access database. Interesting enough. So that's just a little party trick to even lock out your user even more. But at the moment what we've done is we're still going ahead with some other things that I want to teach you about databases, and these are now, once we've done all these, the next part of this video, this series of videos is a very important part of the content that you need to learn for the course that we're doing at the moment.